Good afternoon, gentlemen. This is my next lecture on the series of joining Territorial Army. In this lecture, we would cover two topics basically. One is the OLQs or the officer-like qualities, and second, a few questions which have been asked by one of our aspirants. So first we will start by the questions which have been asked by one of our friends. The first question he has asked is what are the promotions in the Territorial Army? So as far as promotions are concerned, you join the TA as a lieutenant. Then after around 4 years, the first promotion is there, which is as a captain. You get promoted to captain. Then after 8 years of service, you get promoted to major. And after 15 years of service, you get promoted to lieutenant colonel. These are called time scale promotions. That means that if you have passed certain examinations and trainings, then as time goes on, you will get promoted. Now, what are these examinations? These examinations are called Part A, B, C, D. There are 4 examinations which generally you have to pass in order to get promoted to the rank of lieutenant colonel and major. For major it is A and B, and for lieutenant colonel it is A, B, C, D. Then you must finish your IMA, as well as there are 2 more courses after IMA which are essential courses for getting promoted. They are the YOs, that is the young officer course, which is for around 3 months, and which now I guess it also includes platoon weapon course. Previously platoon weapon was a choice, but now PW is mandatory as far as my knowledge goes. Then we have the second course, which is generally after you become major, which is called the JC course, which is mandatory to become a lieutenant colonel. So these are the mandatory courses. Besides that, there are many other courses like commandos are there. You can do commandos in Belgaum. Then we have other courses which are voluntary courses. So you can opt for these courses, and you can do them also. But the courses which I am telling you are the mandatory ones. So once you become a lieutenant colonel, then after that you get promoted to colonel, but that is on not time scale. That is on the board, or for that a board sits and it evaluates your credentials, your service records, your ACRs. And ACR is annual confidential report, which every year it is being filled by the commanding officer. So all your ACRs are checked, everything, and on the basis of these things you get promoted to colonel, because there are limited vacancies for colonel, especially in TA. And once you become a colonel in TA, you command the eco battalion. In TA, the commanding officer of TA only commands the eco battalion till now. You are not allowed to command an infantry battalion. Every infantry battalion is commanded by a regular army officer, a colonel who is from the regular army. So after colonel, you can also reach to the position of brigadier. However, that is quite rare, which I have seen. I've seen people rising to the colonel. Brigadier also people have become, but then that is quite rare. So these are the promotions and the time scale of it. Then the next question was about pension. So pension is applicable for everyone, or for all the officers who have completed 20 years of embodied service. So if you have completed if you join TA and if you complete 20 years of embodied service is essential. It's not 20 years of service, it is 20 years of embodied service. So if you complete 20 years of embodied service, then you are eligible for pension also. Then the next question was about retirement age. So the normal retirement age is 54 years, and if you get promoted to colonel, then it becomes 56. That is the normal retirement age. And the courses I was already mentioned. So I believe these were the questions which was asked. If you guys have any questions, you can also mention it in the comment box, so that in the next video I will include them. Besides that, as at the expense of repeating myself, we are doing this series not only for TA. Yes, definitely TA is the most what should I say, the focused area is TA, but then the information which I will be passing on here will be applicable to anyone who is sitting for SSB, especially for the armed forces. So I would suggest that if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe it, and kindly also ask your fellow mates who are preparing for TA, or who are not preparing for TA, but they should prepare for TA if you feel like that, or anyone who is preparing for SSB, they all can get benefited from this channel.